this is Chris. I encountered a project whereby I needed to insert multiple rows for each of the products that I was given. But I'm using this as a case study. The goal was to insert at least 5 blank space below each names or each product. But 5 blank space, and I had over 300 items on the spreadsheet. But and you can imagine how you want to insert 5 each for all 300 items. But for a quick one here, I'm going to show you on how to do this in just some few minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes or so. We're going to use the sorting method. So normally we have to use this Control and Shift plus to insert at least the numbers of blank space you need to have. But in this case, I'm not going to use that. So I'm going to use the value, then populate this down. This just appear one, but we want to have this in series so that we can be able to sort all these value. Since I've gotten all these values sorted, you can also use sequence. If it doesn't work with yours, you can use a sequence function. So a very quick one, I'm going to paste each of these. For any numbers of multiple blank space you want to have, you have to repaste all this value to exact number. If I want to have 5, I'm going to repeat this value 5 times so that I can have that total numbers of blank space. So since I've done this, all I'm going to do is that I'm going to put this into a filter, then sort this from smallest to largest, then it populates this down. Now the idea behind this is grabbing every blank space that I assigned all the value to. Please hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. I appreciate for you watching this.